if you're looking for affordable and waterproof jewelry to take on your summer vacation, your tropical beach getaways, then look no further than Ana Luisa. I have recently got 6 new pieces from them, starting with this ring, which is a pave croissant ring. Definitely reminds me a bit of the Majori croissant ring, but this is a fraction of the price and it's so beautiful just as a statement piece on its own. Croissant twisted all the way through, very, very comfortable to wear. I actually do have the Majori croissant ring in a bigger and gold vermeil finish, but I in fact prefer the Ana Luisa one because it will never tarnish in the water, and I am going to wear all these pieces throughout my little family vacation to the Hamptons, so you will see these in action. And then the second piece I got is actually already on my wrist. It's this beautiful pave heart bracelet. It's also got 3 adjustable hooks, so I do have probably the tiniest adult wrist, so the smallest size of the bracelet fits me perfectly, and I just really like this little nugget of heart shape. On the other side, it is plain gold, so you can kind of get 2 looks in one. I just love this tiny bit of sparkle on the wrist. This is also so lightweight, so I can wear it throughout the vacation, wear it in the ocean, the water, without having to worry about my jewelry getting caught onto things. And as you can see, it just serves as a little bit of sparkle as I move my hand. So really, really excited about these. And on the pave theme, I also received this really interesting kind of twisty hoop. You basically thread it through your piercing. As you twist around, the hoop will come into shape. So now it looks like I am wearing double hoops, even though I'm only putting it onto my one piercing. So I thought this is super smart if you don't have many piercings, but you want to create that layered piercing look. And it's really comfortable to wear. You can totally wear any and all of these Ana Luisa pieces in water. So I am super excited to wear this one. And I also got another pair that's from their summer collection. This is just perfect for the beach or the pool, anything water related. This definitely gives me vintage earring vibes that is really, really trendy, especially against my dark hair. I really love this statement chunky gold shell earring vibe and just goes perfectly with the Hamptons. And also you can wear this every day too. It, even though it looks pretty big, it's not heavy at all. It does have good weight to it, so it doesn't feel like cheap jewelry, but it is also very, very comfortable to wear. So I'm so pumped about these new earrings. Next piece is actually an anklet. Now I don't usually wear anklets because they were never comfy when I got them, but as soon as I received this, I immediately put it on my ankle, and I have walked around a few days with this anklet. So comfortable because it is pretty flat on the skin, so it just feels like it hugs your skin perfectly. And of course it's got adjustable bits at the end, so you can fit it as loose or tight as you want. And I think this would be so cute for any type of beach vacation. I think I might have saved the best for last. This is the heart locket necklace. So this actually is a removable pendant, and it is a locket, so you can put cute little pictures inside. But I just love the statement effect of this locket. Super easy to put on even with my long nails, and as you can see, it just instantly adds a bit of statement to the neck. And it is, of course, waterproof, so I can wear this with any sort of simple tops, bikinis, dresses. I just feel like once you have something like this, you don't even need to layer necklaces. Like this will do the talking. And I do like the little clip chain design that is subtle but also statement and goes really well with this heart. And also the heart goes well with the little heart bracelet. So I'm so excited to take these to the Hamptons.
Fell into me and I didn't know what to do, 'cause you fell into me and I fell backwards too. But now I know how it feels to fall in love with you, and now I know how it feels, and I hope that you know too. 'Cause I never felt this way about anyone else. When you fell into me, I didn't know what to say, 'cause you fell into me and you swept me away. And now I know how it feels to have a jelly to my peanut butter. And now I know how it feels to have my heart develop a stutter. But I never felt this way about anyone else.
from the Hamptons, and thank you again, Luisa, for sending me all of these beautiful pieces, and I will leave my links to everything in the description box.